Why are there not more people talking about black cats' mysterious past? This is going to blow your mind. Black cats weren't always considered unlucky. In ancient Egypt, they were revered and even worshipped. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, when things took a spooky turn. Black cats were often associated with witches and witchcraft. People believed these feline friends were witches' familiars or even witches in disguise. And don't forget the infamous Salem witch trials. Black cats didn't stand a chance. But here's a twist. In Japan and parts of the UK, black cats are actually seen as good luck. So next time you see a black cat, think of all the positive vibes they might bring. Remember, it's all about perspective. Let's give these cool cats the love they deserve. Hit that like button if you agree.